Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SAEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything like that, but quite the eventful day today, and all this was occurring on well above average volume. But, summarizing today in and of itself, I mean, it was without doubt what we call in, trading terminology, a gap and trap. And now really the question becomes, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? I personally am not willing to call it a pump and dump quite yet because the price does still have the opportunity to show some signs of progress, as I'll talk about here. But as far as the gap and trap part, yeah, there's no denying that. What is a gap and trap? Well, the price closed down here. It opened up right there, and price moved up slightly right there. Some poor souls bought right at that point. And then from there, it was just all bears the rest of the day. Sure, the latter part of the day had some upward strength, and that's also why I'm not willing to call this a pump and dump yet. But as far as the gap and trap, yeah, no doubt about it. This was a total cruel move there to anybody that chased, and hopefully they had stop losses in. But as far as a very important level going forward, to me, it's all about this level right here at about $2.50. Why is $2.50 important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to $2.50 and then history doesn't repeat itself, so in other words, it doesn't hold up and then it just continues on down, that would at that point literally be putting the price essentially right back. Whoops, grabbed the wrong annotation tool there. That would be putting the price right back to where it was essentially in that range. And not to insult your intelligence, but going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. And I mean, when you factor in that it was actually up above $4 and then down below, $2, and especially if it gets down to $2, at that point, that's over a 50% drop. Again, not saying that'll happen, and the other reason why you can't quite call this a pump and up is because, to be fair, what happens if the price comes down here and history does repeat itself and then starts to work its way back upwards? Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. So let's see if the price can make progress or not. But yeah, a whole lot of people are going to be watching 250. So let's see if the price can hold up above it or not. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find great value in this live web class that I'm offering. It's totally free. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just see the link in the description area. It is totally live, so there's a question and answer session. It's very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you there.